Eve Air Mobility signed a letter of intent with Aero Solutions and Blue Nest by Global Via to purchase up to 50 eVTOL aircraft and access Eve's comprehensive tech care services. The collaboration will focus on the Pacific region in northwest Costa Rica, connecting airports to premium resorts and eco-destinations via routes ranging from 20 to 50 kilometers. The goal is to transform tourist and local mobility, reduce ground traffic congestion, and reinforce Costa Rica's reputation as a leader in sustainable tourism. With tourism driving over 3 million foreign visitors annually, Costa Rica is the most visited nation in Central America, and its extensive but often congested road network can lead to lengthy travel times. Blue Nest, the advanced air mobility business line of Global Via, will play a key role in developing vertiport infrastructure to enable safe, sustainable, and efficient operations. As the leading operator of Costa Rica's highway, Globalvia's integrated approach is expected to facilitate seamless intermodal connections between air and ground transport, further enhancing the end-to-end traveler experience. Aero Solutions will have access to Eve's Tech Care Suite, which includes a portfolio of services designed to streamline eVTOL operations, maintenance, and customer support. The partners will also collaborate on dedicated workshops covering critical areas such as vertiport development, airspace integration, pilot training, and certification requirements, and operational planning. Eve Air Mobility also signed a letter of intent with Future Flight Global, a pioneer in electric aircraft, for the purchase of up to 54 electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. This agreement targets the Brazil and United States markets and strengthens Eve's backlog of LOIs with various entities, including global carriers, regional airlines, and urban transportation-focused companies like Future Flight Global. Future Flight Global, headquartered in Washington, D.C., will draw on its deep operational expertise to expand Eve's existing market share in Brazil and the United States. The companies aim to transform urban mobility on a global scale by deploying eVTOL aircraft that dramatically reduce travel times and ease congestion in major cities. Karan Singh, Chief Executive Officer of Future Flight Global, stated that his company is building a diversified electric aircraft fleet for global deployment across multiple mission profiles. He emphasized that Eve's aircraft, rooted in Embraer's 55-year legacy of designing, certifying, and supporting commercial and business aircraft, meets all the necessary requirements, including strong performance parameters, passenger-first ergonomics, clear certification pathway, and scalable production system. This partnership is in line with Eve's inaugural global market outlook, which details the growth and demand surrounding the urban air mobility category for the next 20 years. Urban growth and higher traffic congestion are two critical drivers for the category, and this partnership between Eve and Future Flight Global is emblematic of the overall industry expansion. Future Flight Global plans to deploy Eve's eVTOL aircraft in Brazil and additional high-demand markets worldwide, pending certification from the National Civil Aviation Agency of Brazil. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.